Looking to create some really cool stuff to add to your online shop that'll fly off those virtual shelves, or let your imagination run wild with some neat designs and see those profits come in? Let's check out our product creator then. Starting from the dashboard in your Printify account, go to the Catalog tab in the left menu to choose a product. From the product details page, click Start Designing next to your desired print provider. Take a mini tour with us or explore on your own. You can take the onboarding tour at any time by clicking the question mark in the bottom left corner and choosing Replay Onboarding Tour. Here you'll also have direct access to all of our Help Center articles related to product creation or design questions. Let's explore a bit on our own. In the top left, you'll see an Info button. Here you can see information about the specific product like model number, print provider, and available variants. You'll also see a breakdown of the product costs as you add print areas. If you're creating slightly more complex products, like all-over print items, you'll also find design guidelines and a downloadable design template. Now, we've done our best to make the designing process smooth and easy, but if you actively use Photoshop or Illustrator to create your designs, you might want to explore this option. In the left menu, you'll find all the options to add and create designs. You can upload your own design from your device or cloud storage, or just drag and drop your design file into the product creator. You can also see print file requirements like file type, size, and resolution. You can add text, find designs you've previously uploaded in your library, use our free graphics, use a template previously created by you, buy designs directly from Shutterstock, and P.S. you only pay for these after they sell, hire someone to create a design for you, or experiment with our AI image generator for something truly unique. And don't worry if it has a low resolution. We'll automatically enhance it before sending it to production. Each design or element added is considered a layer. By clicking on a layer, you'll see an editing toolbar come up at the top of your screen. For pictures and graphics, you'll see options to adjust the position, which you can also do this by clicking and dragging, flip the image, fit or fill the print area with your design, remove the background, create a pattern, crop, duplicate the image, delete it, apply it to all print areas, or save it as a template. By clicking on our text element, you'll see our editing toolbar now has font options, sizes, text alignment, colors, and emojis. In the right-hand toolbar, you can choose product variants and see all your design layers. You can open and close the Variants and Layers panel at any time by clicking on the pencil and ruler icon here. Now let's see how our design will look in real life by clicking Preview. Here you can see the different mock-up views, add a custom background, and download them if you'd like. And lastly, save your product and get it ready for publishing. Take some time to explore it for yourself and get to know our product creator. What do you like about it? Where do you think we could improve? We thrive on your feedback, so let us know in the comments. And like this video if you're excited to get designing, and subscribe to our channel to see how to create other cool stuff too, like hoodies or mugs.